Special Intensive Revision 2.0 begins from today. Election Commission has announced the nationwide launch of Phase 2 of the Special Intensive Revision, which will cover over 51 crore voters across 12 states and union territories. The voter lists in all participating states are now frozen. The Election Commission says the SIR aims to ensure that no eligible voter is left out and no ineligible voter remains on the rolls. It also clarified that Aadhaar can be used only as proof of identity, not as proof of citizenship. BJP has welcomed the move and has called it a good initiative that will bring transparency. However, opposition has hit back sharply. Now, opposition has accused the Election Commission of colluding with the BJP and said that the Special Intensive Revision is a political conspiracy by the BJP. In fact, they also questioned this hasty exercise ahead of the 2026 polls.
We strongly condemned the attitude of the Election Commission because in November, December, there will be very severe rain. During this period, how they are going to implement the SIR? Basically, SIR, we are opposing it. We don't allow SIR to be carried out. Protect the fundamental right. Whoever interested, whoever may be, those who are registered parties, we have decided to call this a meeting on November 2nd. In that meeting, we will decide further course of action.
It is an assault on democracy. It is cutting the very roots of democracy. It will affect very much Tamil Nadu, particularly the minority community votes and the scheduled caste votes and women votes will be targeted by SIR.
Why is the DMK so nervous and so rattled when they hear the word Sir and SIR? The real reason why the DMK is piggybacking on dear brother Rahul Gandhi's failed and flawed toolkit of slandering constitutional institutions is because the DMK is desperately trying to divert, deflect and distract attention from the dismal misrule of the failure model DMK government.
अभी जो चल रहा है तो उसका ऊपर हमारा जो कैलेंडर दिया है तो हमारा लीडरशिप वो देख रहे हैं. प्रॉपर टाइम में हम लोग बोलेंगे. हमारा ये उम्मीद है हमारा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट डेमोक्रेटिक, हमारा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट राजधर्म पालन करता है, लेकिन उम्मीद करेंगे ये जो नेशनल इलेक्शन कमीशन है वो भी भाजपा का पॉलिटिकल इन्फ्लुएंस में आकर ऐसा कुछ नहीं करेंगे जिसमें हम प्रोटेस्ट करने में मजबूर हो जाएंगे.
We strongly request the Election Commission of India not to impose its unilateral will on the people of India. That apart from that, they have announced the SIR in 12 states and union territories. The case is being heard by the Supreme Court of India. They have only made certain interim observations. So they should have patience to wait till the Supreme Court of India gives the final judgment. The Election Commission joining one segment of the political class is equally harmful and harmful for democracy.
राहुल गांधी जी संविधान के लिए जीने और मरने की बातें करते हैं, तो मैं मानता हूं यहाँ पर हमने पूरी प्रक्रिया, वो चाहे जनजागरण में रैलियां हो, चाहे हस्ताक्षर अभियान हो, चाहे हमारी हर विधानसभा में एक प्रभारी इस पूरी प्रक्रिया की देखरेख के लिए बना, हर BLA 2 हर बूथ पर बनाकर निगाह रखना पूरे निर्वाचन की प्रक्रिया पर. कांग्रेस पार्टी सजग है, अलर्ट है, संविधान की रक्षा करेगी, हमारे देश के प्रदेश के नागरिकों के नाम नहीं कटने.
हम लोग चाहते हैं SIR हो. पूरा पश्चिम बंगाल की आम नागरिक यही चाहता है SIR किया जाए, और जो लोग BLO होकर जा रहे हैं उसको सुरक्षा देने का जिम्मेदारी, उसको हर सुविधा मुहैया करने का जिम्मेदारी चुनाव आयोग की है. हम विश्वास करते हैं चुनाव आयोग वो करेंगे.